Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got Old Blue out on the water again, doing a bit of a kayaking journey. So it's kind of like I guess you'd call it a dike. It seems to go and go and go, so I'm just going to test to see how far I can go. But it's a beautiful day out. It's super nice and sunny. The water's nice and cool. You can see I'm not wearing my life jacket. The water's really shallow. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, water's super shallow. I think it's like 4 or 5 feet. But yeah, thanks for coming along again. If you like this video and all my other content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks. Alright, so I'm just trucking along here in Old Blue. So I brought my old kayak out, inflatable. I'll give you guys the information on where I bought it. But what a beautiful day. It's so nice out today. Just look at that. So not sure how far along this goes, but it seems to go for quite a while. I didn't actually check out the map before I came. Someone I work with had kind of told me about it, and man, is it ever nice here. So I'm gonna keep trucking along. I brought some food with me, just a dehydrated meal, because I'll be a little bit hungry, I think, in an hour or two, but should be good. So there's a heron over there. I'm gonna see if I can't get it on video for you guys. Looks like it's just doing a bit of fishing. But I'm see if I can capture it. Very, very patient animal for fishing. I think it's a blue heron, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, look, he's just walking away. Kind of keeping to himself, doing his own business. Yeah, they are beautiful, beautiful birds. All right, moving on. Dang, those ducks had a little scrap. Jeez, he's not happy. I find hilarious that they just kick their booties up to get the fish. I don't know if they're eating fish, I think they're just eating stuff on the bottom. Let's look at that here. I think he thinks I'm making fun of him. You know, so ideally I would love to have like a hard canoe, like a really good quality canoe, but it's impossible living in an apartment. I just can't own one and there's no place for me to store it, but I'd love to have an actual canoe. But so far, yeah, this has been good. In the future I might get a bit of a higher quality one where you can actually mount a little motor on it. That way I can kind of travel a little bit further in distance. But this suffices for now. But yeah, it'd be great if I could get an actual canoe and have a place to store it somewhere. Future goals, future goals. So the area ahead of me here is Golden Ears. Lots of camping and hiking and outdoor stuff in that area. I go there quite a bit for camping trips. And then to my right, I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it yet, but to my right is Mount Baker. It's a glacier mountain to our neighbors to the south. So maybe when things open up a little bit further ahead, we'll be able to have a better view of it. Bit of a crosswind right now, so it's kind of pushing me over to the left, but not so bad. Yeah, so the stuff I'm trekking through right now is really, like you can just see, tons of this stuff. Kind of makes it a bit hard going because it gets stuck on your paddles and stuff, but I'm almost through this crap, and I think I found a spot to eat, so I'm going to check over there and park the old boat and get some food in me. Alright, so you guys can probably see just the peaks of Mount Baker now, which is just along there. And finally out of those weeds, somewhat, still some, but a little bit smoother sailing right now. And a lot less wind, so that's actually pretty good. So the last spot I tried to find didn't really work so well. It was quite muddy. So I'm just seeing something in front of me now, kind of where those two kayakers going. Hopefully they're not going to that spot. And then hopefully I can park the boat there and grab some food. Get some energy back in me. Alright, so I found a place to stop and eat. It's super muddy, so just kind of but it should be good enough for me. So I'm going to set up my stove real quick, cook up some hot water, and then put it, like I said, I got a dehydrated meal. Alright, today I brought a dehydrated meal with me. Backpacker's Pantry. I've had it before. It's shepherd's potato stew. It's quite good actually. So I'm just boiling up some water. That should do it. I'll be a little bit more. Alright, so got my lunch on. Now I'm heading back to the Silver Bridge. What a beautiful day, honestly. To have this right in my backyard is, I feel pretty damn blessed, to be honest. Apparently somebody said that there's seals in this, whatever it is, lake, river, I don't know what it is. And they come right up to you and try to jump in your boat. It's basically when the salmon kind of run along this area. I haven't seen any yet. Yeah, apparently there's a ton of seals that are kind of up and around this area, so. I also haven't seen any fish either, so I'm sure there's tons in here. I'm just not quite sure what fish are in here, but yeah. So anyway, heading back to the bridge, starting point, and yeah, drink some more water. What a day! What a day! Honestly, from the blue heron that I saw earlier to a bit of a duck scrap that happened, and then just seeing their little booties kind of kick up into the air when they're looking for stuff on the bottom of the water. I just thought that was funny. But wow, what a great day. You know, it's not a camping adventure for me, you know, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun for me. It was really relaxing. Got to see a lot of cool things. So, thanks guys. Like I said, if you like this, I hope you did, feel free to check out all my other content, and yeah, thanks for joining me guys.